In the final years of World War II, I worked in a factory in Germany. The war was intense, and by 1945, Allied bombers were attacking our cities almost every day. It was a terrifying time. Every morning, we went to work, but instead of hearing machines, we heard sirens warning us of incoming bombs. The sky was filled with Allied planes, dropping bombs that destroyed homes and buildings. The streets were dangerous and filled with rubble. Our factory was crucial for the war effort. We worked hard, making parts that were needed for the war. The pressure was high because we knew our work could help our country, even though the bombings made everything difficult. As the bombings got worse, our city changed. Places we knew well were destroyed. Homes and streets we once walked were now piles of debris. It was heartbreaking to see our city in ruins, and we lived in constant fear of more bombings. But despite the fear, we workers supported each other. We shared what little we had and found strength in our unity. Every day was a struggle, but we held on to hope that things would get better and the war would end. In the last months of the war, the bombings reached their peak. Our city was devastated, and the factories that were once busy with production were now silent and broken. It was a sad reminder of all that we had lost. When the war finally ended, we were exhausted but relieved to be alive. The destruction around us was a stark reminder of the cost of war. We knew it would take a long time to rebuild, but we were hopeful for a better future.